anyone know the motto of Orchids? There's a line that is always written. No? Okay, I'll share it with you. A school for every kind of champion. So Orchids is a school that is meant for every kind of champion. I'm sure today's drill would have shown you some are really Taekwondo champions, and if you can clap loudly for them, they would also be very happy because they're sitting right there and listening to you. Yes. We believe and we understand that there is a champion in everyone. May not necessarily be a Taekwondo champion. You can be a singing champion, a dancing champion, a horticulture champion, a coding champion. You name it, we have it, and we have all our children here who believe that they can do it. Most importantly, what we believe is to make every kind of champion, there are only two things that you need. One, I'm sure all of you know, we do it every single day. That's hard work. And the second is sincerity and dedication. If you do something sincerely every day, day in and day out, there's nobody who can stop you from being a champion. You agree with me on that? So my father always would ask me this question, and I've asked it earlier on to a few parents who have come for the student council installation ceremony. What is the spelling of luck?
L-U-C-K.
L-U-C-K?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody agrees? L-U-C-K? Okay, so there's an underlying spelling for luck. Luck का spelling कौन बताएगा? आप बहुत L-U-C-K ही बताया ना? Okay. उसके पीछे एक spelling है, and that spelling is W-O-R-K. Okay? You work, work and rework, you will be the luckiest person.
Yes.
Okay? That luck, yes, I will is just God's blessings. There's a time that God decides that you need to be lucky and you have it there. And our biggest luck is these wonderful children who are with us, whether at home or at school. And definitely what makes them beautiful and special is you, dear parents. Thank you for encouraging them at all times. Thank you for being with us at all times. It makes a lot of difference when we have lovely parents encouraging these fantastic youngsters. An obstacle race comes up, they need to follow the rules. You can't let your hurdle drop. You can't put your hula hoop out of the cone. The cone can't drop. You need to jump over these small hurdles that are there beyond, touch the last cone, and then come running back the same way.